Chime Financial, Inc. is an American economic technological know-how organization which gives fee-free cellular banking offerings that are furnished through the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, NA. Account holders are issued Visa debit playing cards or savings cards and have get entry to an online banking device on hand through the company's website is Chime and Worldwide Bank. Chime is presently solely handy to residents of the United States. Chime is now not a financial institution, however, an economic science company. Its banking offerings and debit card are furnished by using the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank, each of which are licensed banks and members FDIC. What financial institution does Chime go through? Chime is a technological know-how business enterprise that believes banking ought to be useful and easy. They facilitate get entry to banking offerings through their financial institution partners, the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. What financial institution does Chime go through? Chime is a science corporation that believes banking ought to be useful and easy. They facilitate get right of entry to banking offerings via their financial institution partners, the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. Are there Chime banks? Chime disclosures. Chime is an economic technological know-how company, now not a bank. Banking offerings furnished by means of the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, NA. Members FDIC. The Chime Visa debit card is issued with the aid of the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank pursuant to a license from Visa USA, Inc. Does Zelle work with Chime? Now you can use Zelle with the Chime banking app. Both are secure, convenient, and quick to procedure your repayments or ship cash between users. If you recognize each functions and have used them, you ought to be aware of that it is effortless to merge them to make transfers from Chime with Zelle. Is Chime Financial Institution an actual bank? Chime is an economic science company, no longer a bank. Banking offerings are supplied by means of the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, NA. Members FDIC. What is the credit score restriction for Chime? You can credit money to your Chime checking account at over 90,000 retail locations. Simply ask the cashier to make a credit score to your Chime account at the register.